Greetings, Green Thumb Gardening family. Alain Ali back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. We're here in our high tonal greenhouse. In this morning's short video, we're going to be giving you guys a brief peek at the strawberry plants that we're currently growing in hanging containers here in our high tonal greenhouse. It is January the 24th, 2023. It's currently a brisk 36 degrees outside, but here inside of our high tonal greenhouse, it is a balmy 90 degrees here. If you guys can see that thermometer here, we're super excited about that. At this point, we're going to walk you guys down along this line here and give you guys a close-up look at the 8 strawberry plants that we're currently growing in these 4 1-gallon hanging pot containers here. Take a look at this. Our strawberry plants are already loading up with blossoms, and although we probably won't get any strawberries yet this time of year due to the fact that we don't currently have any pollinators in our area flying around outside, we do open our greenhouse up on warmer days and allow bees, butterflies, etc. to fly in and out, bugs, whatever, to fly in and out of our greenhouse. It's not really warm enough. We don't really have a bunch of honeybees around or butterflies around or anything like that that do the majority of pollinating things here in our area. So we're not really expecting any strawberries at this time, because these flowers and little buds here will not get pollinated unless nature does something freaky here inside of our high tonal greenhouse. But we're not really expecting any strawberries here this early in the season here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. However, nonetheless, our strawberry plants are currently still loading up with blossoms. With a total of 8 strawberry plants planted here in these first four hanging containers you see here. Our plants are growing rapidly, putting on blossoms. They're pretty, green, and healthy, and we're super excited to once again be growing strawberries here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. It's been approximately 3 years since the last time we planted and grew strawberries here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. We've been sticking more closely to things like raspberries, and that are not as problematic as far as temperatures and things go. Here in our area, it does get hot here, and when it gets hot, we know strawberries aren't producing any strawberries, so we grew our raspberries for approximately the past 3 years, and our ever-bearing raspberry plants, they did fine. Spring, summer, fall, and winter, they bear raspberries all year long. But we thought we'll try our hands again this year growing strawberries. These plants are about a month, maybe a month and a half old here at this point. They're growing fast, already setting blossoms. We probably won't get any fruit at this point, but we're super excited again to be growing strawberries here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Thanks for watching this video, and if indeed you do currently find yourself watching this video on growing strawberries in hanging containers in our high tonal greenhouse here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, and you're not already subscribed to our channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing strawberries in our high tonal greenhouse right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Thanks for watching.